Hi everyone, welcome to Twinr tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to enable app onboarding. Let's understand what is app onboarding. It is like a welcome guide that walks your users through setup and using the core functionality of the app. You can also call it like an app tutorial or product overview. It really depends on how you want to utilize this feature for your users' engagement. To enable it, go to Add-ons, Extensions, App Onboarding, and enable it. We have 8 different styles that you can choose from. Select one that you like and click on Next. You can add as many screens as you want here. Click on Add Screen, add a title here, and a description. Okay, now here upload the image that is relevant to this description. Okay, I'm choosing this one, and choose the background color of your page. So I will keep it white and click on add. Let me add 2 more screens just to show you. Let me add this. Next one. Choose this. Now add. Okay, again let me add another one. Add this one. Put something in this description. Select this one. Okay, and then this one. Click on add. Okay. Here in the customization screen, you can customize all the elements on the onboarding screen. So this is the title, which is the title of the screen. And then here it is a description that we gave here. And this is the skip button. The skip button is used to skip the onboarding section and then directly go to the first screen of your application. You can customize here with your application theme, change the color of button, text, whatever you want. And then this is the done button. It comes on the last screen of onboarding. Let's customize this one, and this one. Okay, indicator is, let me show you what is indicator. If you go to styles, you see here, these are the indicators. You can customize this as well. So let's go to indicators and choose the color, whatever you like. I will select this one because it is matching to my application theme. And indicator type, I will choose a circle instead of arrow. Okay, and save it as a draft. Okay, that's it. Let's preview it in Twinr Preview app. Download the preview app from Play Store and preview on your Android phone. Let's go back and then click on preview. You see the onboarding screens are enabled now. App onboarding is super useful feature as it gives positive first impression and initial user engagement. This feature is only available in premium plan, but you can test everything in your 14-day free trial. Remember that this feature is over-the-air feature. That means if your app version 1.0 is live on the stores, you can update anything in the app onboarding and click on publish to production. And then all the users who has 1.0 version downloaded on their phone will have the latest changes automatically over the air. So no need to publish new version and get it approved on the stores. So please make use of over the air feature and avoid the approval hassles. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us on live chat or email at hello@twinr.dev. Please also refer to our help documentations for detailed information. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe for more updates from Twinr. Thanks for watching.